Now we are gonna open the pads. Me and Grace are both too weak, so I'm gonna put a spell on Grace to go super strength to make her do it. Ludius Maximus, the Vindianto. Yeah! Super strength. Yay! We did it! Show them it. Show them it. Show them it. Show it to them. Show them the barcode.
Ooh, a tripwire.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay, let's open it
tripwire.
see if we have the golden ticket.
Golden ticket?
Yeah. Do we have the golden ticket? No.
Bummer. We never get the golden ticket.
Alright, so what do you guys got to build today?
We gotta build the tripwire. So we're ready. We just watched the video, and so we're gonna start on the first page, which is we're gonna need this one that says crunchlabs on it with the logo. Okay. And now take 5 of the blue things out.
You told me to snap these things. Your turn.
So now what, you put the yellow piece in between?
Yeah. So there's holes on the yellow piece, so all these blue ends, you poke them into the hole.
Okay.
Now your turn to put that on whichever way in the holes. We'll kind of have to do one like that.
That's good, using a table as pressure.
So
Next. No,
next
that's next.
the next thing.
And then you put the little rubber bands through the backside.
Yeah.
Yep, on the back.
There you go. One is done. Cock it, James. Let's see. All right, you lock it back. Lock it back like a mouse trap, almost like the rubber bands are springs.
Yeah.
Ooh, give me the ball. Let me see.
But it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet.
Yeah, but Mark Rover said in the video that you need these little pegs that go in, and if it's too tight, it won't cock. But if it's loose enough, it will cock, like these thingies. We need a
Run the little string through there,
and
then connect it to the tripwire.
yeah.
All
I'm
right.
just sticking the balls in. So
All right, why don't you just wait 2 seconds?
Yeah, wait.
Here goes the first test
Please, gotta hold this.
of the tripwire.
Hold that. Pull it.
Wait.
Hold.
Pull.
That was fast. My Giat reflexes went.